flower.
Then why did the flower wither like that?
Well, I really don't know for sure. But I do know someone who could tell us why.
Whoa! Wow!
Granny Bowerbird, are you home?
Sure am. Come on in.
That flower's really beautiful.
Wow! Tomatoes and cucumbers! They look yummy!
Should I turn it on? We made a mess of the beautiful garden. Granny Bowerbird must be so upset.
First of all, we need to make sure all our plants are standing straight upright. Slide in a nice tall stick and tie the plant to it good and tight.
I am sorry that we knocked you over.
But we'll stand you taller and straight again.
There, the thing to remember when you're repotting a plant is to move it gently and carefully, just like I did there.
Gently and carefully.
Gentle and careful. Granny Bowerbird, can you please check my flower?
Let me check. Looky there. I've got it. This little flower just needs to move to a bigger house.
Hooray! My beautiful flower's all better. Here, subscribe to our channel.